Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Extra Subject. As I told earlier, parts of speech is the foundation of English grammar. Therefore, we are covering parts of speech one by one. The last three videos I have explained noun, pronoun and verb. Fourth in parts of speech is adjective. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun by giving more information about its characteristics and qualities. Adjectives are used to add details to sentences and create a more vivid image in reader's mind. Adjective can come before or after the noun they modify. They can vary in intensity, indicating the degree or level of the quality they describe. Example, the tall tree swayed away in the breeze. The adjective tall describes the tree and gives us a better understanding of its size. Adjective can also be categorized into different types based on the quality they describe, such as color, size, shape, age, and so on. For instance, large and small are size adjective, red and blue are color adjective, round and square are shape adjective, young and old are age adjective, kind and cruel are personality adjective. Common kinds of adjectives are descriptive, numeral, quantitative, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, proper and exclamatory. In summary, adjective plays an essential role in language by providing more details. That's all in this video. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel.